listen, that's free. That's free something from Substack. They obviously want to invest in this and help you get some more free stuff because they do get a little bit of it, little slice off the top. So why not toggle that on? How do you set up growth settings in your Substack publication? This video is going to show you how. So as you can see, I've got my But Wait, There's More Substack, and I'm currently in the post published. Basically, all the things you need to set up for your publication or adjust or track are over here on the left margin. If we want to set up how we grow in Substack with their available tools, we're going to click on Settings. So this takes you to the entirety of settings. We have a video that gives you an overview over all of the settings, just to reinforce that you're going to need plenty of time and possibly more than a few visits to get your publication thoroughly set up. I'm going to scroll down. We've already done basics and payments, and now we're going to get down to growth. Okay, so let's go through these one by one. These are all toggleable on and off. Enable Substack Boost, automatically show discounts and special offers at the right moment to maximize your revenue. If we do click Learn More, they have an article about this where there's growth on autopilot. It basically automatically, algorithmically will decide when to show people stuff to make sure that you stay engaged, make sure people don't veer away, make sure that they subscribe, etc. Now, underneath Enable Substack Boost, you have several options. You can also toggle on or off at will. Enable pre-unsubscribe discounts. Offers eligible paid subscribers a free month when they attempt to cancel their subscription to convince them to stay. You can toggle that on or off. Enable teaser posts. Allows free subscribers to view one paywalled post in the Substack app, so not on the browser version, but in the mobile app, to show them what they're missing. It's key to know that. Remember, there's Learn More here. Enable chat preview. Allows people to view the latest top-level messages in chat to show them what they're missing. So that's if you incorporate chat discussions, which I highly recommend you do if you're trying to build a community. It'll let them see those. Enable automated upsell emails. Emails your most engaged free subscribers with special offers to go paid. By default, this offers a 20% discount on an annual subscription. So remember, you can turn this offer on. If you leave it on, it's going to offer your very often free subscriber reviews to be like, hey, why don't you just go ahead and pony it up? Customize automated upsell email. Edit the automated upsell email sent to your most engaged free subscribers. So this relates to this upsell email. If you have this turned on, you'll want to do this. I highly recommend you do this. Don't just go with the automatic, because remember, you're asking them to spend money. You've already got their email. That's a lot. If they've already freely subscribed to your newsletter, now you're asking for an exchange of currency. So why not put that in your voice? Mine is edited and it's customized to mine. It makes sense. And you should do the same. Make it sound like you. And then you can also enable multi-subscriber offers. Offers people who just purchased a subscription to another publication a discounted paid subscription to yours when they're most willing to pay. Which to me, that sounds counterintuitive. I personally only would ever subscribe to something once. I'm not going to be like, ooh, let me go on a subscription spree. But again, not everybody's me. So might be a good idea. Now, you have another section where you can toggle on and off to enable subscriber referral program. Reward subscribers for sharing your Substack with others. That means they get a little kickback or a discount if they successfully refer your Substack and someone subscribes. So you can show referral link in emails, adds a footer to emailed posts encouraging subscribers to refer friends. Why not? Show referral leaderboard. Adds a referral leaderboard to the navigation bar on your website. So to show you this, I'm actually going to go back out here and go to my website. And you'll see a leaderboard right here. And there's a refer friends. And you can see that people, it shows them how to do that and what have you, and what your progress can be and what you rewards you get. Referrals are gold. Referrals make the world go round. Referrals make commerce happen. Referrals are a big reason people make revenue in their businesses, because they got word of mouth saying this is worthwhile. You want to encourage referrals no matter what. Customize rewards. Set up your reward tiers and custom reward emails. So again, you can hit edit and that'll let you set these up. If you see you're not getting any referrals, maybe I need to decrease this. Maybe I give 1 month comp for someone who gives me 1 referral. I'm okay to play around with this. I'm going to lower this to 3, and I'm going to lower this all the way down to 10. As you get notoriety and get some more following and people are more willingly subscribing to you, maybe you can increase that to say, okay, now we've got a good thing going. Now you can enable or disable paid subscriber gifts. Allow paid subscribers to give friends limited access to paid content. Referral gift grant email. Email sent to paid subscribers of But Wait, There's More Marketing, asking them to share a gift subscription with friends. So I can hit edit. I'm actually needing to update this. This is pretty canned. I think I have updated some of the stuff in here, but I need to go back in. So I need to customize this a little more. Enable re-up referral emails. Emails sent to subscribers who have shared all their gift subscriptions is a great way to turn your biggest advocates into top referrers. Now, you also can toggle these on or off. These are standalone settings. Enable gifts from Substack. Offers free gift subscriptions to your publication during select campaign windows. Gifts are fully funded by Substack. Listen. That's free. That's free something from Substack. They obviously want to invest in this and help you get some more free stuff because they do get a little bit of it, little slice off the top. So why not toggle that on? Enable subscribe prompts on post page, ads, modals, pop-ups, and other prompts to encourage people to subscribe. Yes. Enable auto clips in feed. Substack will automatically feature clips from your latest video posts on notes. Why not? Automated stuff is great. Now, I recommend you go check these clips and make sure they're just not all over the place. AI is only good for so many things. But if they are, why not? That just helps people kind of see little teasers in another channel within Substack, and it could prompt some people to come and subscribe. Enable auto-publishing clips to YouTube Shorts. Yes, Substack will automatically upload clips from your latest video post to YouTube Shorts. Y'all. So this comes into play when I do a video. This video is a good example. This is going to be a free video that I post as a video post on my Substack. Substack's going to do some processing in the background. And I can post the video right away, or if I wait and schedule it later, what it's going to do, though, is it's going to read the video. It's going to generate some clips out of it. And as I publish, and especially if I've given it time to do that processing, I have the option of saying, do you want to auto-upload these clips as shorts to your YouTube channel? Yes, you do. You absolutely want to do this. YouTube Shorts are a fantastic way to get views, not just on a YouTube channel you're hosting and that you're publishing these Substack videos to, but just generally views. I get so many people referred to my YouTube channel from shorts that I post. It's so worth your while. It is a great discoverability method on YouTube. Please do this. There's really no reason not to do this unless you have your own YouTube Shorts campaign or approach that you're like, yeah, this would fuck it up. Okay, sure. But if you're just not having time to do it yourself, you can absolutely still create some vertical oriented clips from your video within Substack. It lets you edit and adjust those clips, test and try and see what visuals you get the most benefit out of. Also enable auto-publishing clips to LinkedIn. You can turn that off or on. I'm not going to lie. This is a huge reason I was sold on Substack. I knew going into this year, there were 3 channels I wanted to focus on. I wanted to focus on LinkedIn, I wanted to focus on my YouTube channel, and I wanted to really give Substack a try. And I was like, those are the 3 channels I'm going to worry about from a marketing perspective. Well, look at this. I mean, it's almost like it read my brain and said, got you. We can do that. It's automatically letting me upload clips to YouTube Shorts and to LinkedIn. I hit all 3. That's great. Also, you get a QR code. It'll automatically put this in. When I first created my website page, my website here in Substack, it defaulted to like an orange color. And at that time, my QR code was orange. It already has my logo in the middle and screen. And now since I updated the color scheme for my website to be green, now this matches my branding. So it will match your branding, but you have to update that in your website. And then finally, you have an embeddable subscribe button. This is cool. I'll add the following HTML to any website to show a subscribe button for this publication. So if you have a .com, a website out there for yourself, you actually copy this HTML and then go insert it into a page or pages or your footer or whatever, wherever you want. You should do it in a few places. Go embed that on your website, and that will automatically let people subscribe to your Substack. Have I done this yet? I have not. Something else I need to do. It's on my to-do list. And you can check on or off to show the logo in the embed. You may have a Substack publication that's logo is different from your business logo or whatever's on your website. That's fine. Just make sure you surround that embed subscribe button with a bunch of information, preferably a landing page or drop-down menu nav, where it can be like, oh, by the way, this is my publication of a different name that I do this on. Always give people the information so they know what they're about to go click over to. That's pretty much it for today's run through of the Substack growth settings that you can toggle on or off and customize within your publication. Do better than me and don't be doing a video like this when I haven't actually done all of the above. So I have 2 things to go do. Let me know in the comments and tell me what your action items are. You're still here? It's over. But you should hit like on this video before you head out and subscribe if you want to get more videos that'll help you realize how much more there is to marketing. See what I did there?